Hello students, now we are going to complete exercises of chapter number 2, Traveling with Grandfather's Zoo. Comprehension A. Match the names with characters. मैंने एक साइड में names लिखे हैं, उसी के सामने characters लिखे हैं. First Chips, किसका नाम था? Squirrel. Then Timothy, tiger. Popeye, parrot. Then B. Answer these questions briefly. First, where was the narrator going? Answer. The narrator and his family were traveling from Dehra to Lucknow. Then second, who were the narrator's traveling companions? What was strange about them? Answer. The narrator's companions in addition to his family, उनके साथ उनकी family तो थी ही, और कौन था? Were a squirrel, a parrot and a pet tiger, which were unusual passengers on the train. Third, how was Timothy better behaved than most passengers? Timothy किसका नाम है? Yes, टाइगर का नाम था. Timothy did not disturb people, steal food from vendors, shout at coolies, break railway property or spit on the platform. इसमें से उसने कुछ भी नहीं किया. He behaved better than the other passengers who did all above. Then, fourth question. What happened to the family's dinner? Answer. The family's dinner was eaten up by the python hidden in the picnic basket. Fifth question. What does grandfather do to the unwelcome visitor? Answer. Grandfather takes the visitor and hides him in a picnic basket that carried the family's food. Sixth, why was there a commotion in the train? Answer. There was a commotion in the train because the passengers had seen a python in the washroom. Seventh, why did grandmother scold grandfather? Grandmother scolded grandfather because he had brought the python along with them on the journey when she had asked him not to. Question number 8. What happened when Aunt Mabel opened the lid of the basket? Answer. Aunt Mabel saw the huge python when she opened the lid of the basket. She fainted in fright. C. Think and answer the questions. First question. Do you think the animals enjoyed their train journey? Give reasons for your answer. Answer. The animals seem to have enjoyed their train journey. This is because the narrator says that the parrot and the squirrel had a good time on the train, while Timothy the tiger was appreciated by the guard of the train. Second question. Pick out a few humorous incidents from the story. Answer. Some of the humorous incidents are the escape of python, Aunt Mabel's reaction to the python, and Popeye's behavior. Then third, the author attributes human qualities to the animals in the story. Pick out a few examples of this. What does this show about the author's feelings for animals? The author compares Timothy to a well-behaved human. Chips, the squirrel, made friends with everyone on the train. It shows that the author is fond of animals. Then last question. Write a character sketch of Aunt Mabel. Aunt Mabel is a friendly person who loves food. She is also terrified of snakes and is not adventurous. She faints away in shock when she sees the python and is ready to believe grandfather when he tells her that she had imagined seeing the snake in the basket.